Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a CPA marketing trick that converts really well. And actually we are going to use a free tool that will help us with that. And also I'm going to show you how you can get targeted free traffic that will help you to increase that conversion even higher and that will help you to make even more money with CPA marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find CPA offers to promote. And for that you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPA Build, you can use CPA Grip or any other CPA affiliate network. But maybe best option is to actually use AFF Plus. Now for those of you who don't know what AFF Plus is, AFF Plus is basically a CPA offers directory. So this is how it looks. And here I can actually target countries. So let's just say, for example, United States. Okay, United States of America. And here where it says verticals, I can actually choose category. So when I click here, let's just say I wish to promote offers from, for example, insurance category. Now, insurance was always a hot category and insurance offers are always been a high paying offers. So let me just scroll through these offers. So let me just, okay. Travel insurance. Now travel is currently really hot because of the COVID. People didn't travel for 2 years. Now everybody travel and they need a travel insurance. So when I click here, I can actually get more information about this offer. And here I can see I can earn $12.30 per CPL or survey. Worldwide, available worldwide. That is really good for us. So when I click here, I can see more informations. And if I wish to promote this offer, all I have to do is just click here on Run Offer, and I need to register for this affiliate network, and I can start promoting this offer. Okay. So now when we have our CPA offer, next thing we need to do, we need to build a bridge page. But we will not build just any bridge page. We will actually make a high converting bridge page. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called Arengu, okay? And here you need to register for a free account. Just click here on sign up and you need to add your full name, your email, your password, agree to the terms of condition, continue, confirm your email, and that's it. You will register for a free account or you can register with a Gmail account. And after you register, you will come to your dashboard and this is how it will look. So what you need to do, so pay close attention, this is important part of the video. So what you need to do, you need to click here on forms because we wish to create a new form. And then click here on create a form. You can use template if you want, but I like to click here on start from scratch because I wish to create my own form. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here. Here you can see all the tools that are available. And I actually wish to use rich text form. So I will add that simply here, just drag it here. And here I need to add my question. And we will actually create a form. We will create a questionnaire, a short quiz. And that is why this converts so well. And what you actually need to do, you need to add some questions and answers. And those questions and answers should be short and simple and right to the point. Now, if you travel often, then you won't have any problems with these questions. But if you don't travel that often, what you can do is you can simply go on Google and here you can search something like travel insurance questions, okay? And then press enter. And here you can see most often questions that people or travel insurance agents are asking. So just click here, for example, here on top 10 common travel insurance questions. And you can actually use this as an inspiration for your own questions. Now that is exactly what I did, and I actually created 3 questions. So this is how my questions look. So do you need travel insurance? Okay, so I will go back on Arengu, and that is my main, that is the name of my questionnaire. So I can simply paste it here, okay? And what I can do, I can simply highlight this, okay? I can highlight this, and I can make this bold, okay? And I can also make this H1 to make it to be bigger, okay? So next thing I need to do, I need to start adding questions. So I need to scroll back here and I need to drag where it says choice. I need to drag this tool here, okay? Here. And here I need to add my first question. My first question is, why do you travel, okay? Copy this, go back on Arengu, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? Okay, delete this, paste that here. And here I need to add question, okay? I need to add an option, and I will simply say touristic, That is my first answer, possible answer. And here I need to add my second question, to my second answer, and that is business. Many people go on business trips, okay? And I need to add another question. Again, same thing, just drag this here, choice, and here I can ask my second question. Again, I already prepared that. How often do you travel? Okay, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and here I need to add my first choice, once a month. Okay, and I will add once a month and click here, add new option, and I'm going to add this a few times per year, and I will add that here. Okay, and add another one, and that is whenever I can. Okay, and I'm going to add that here. Okay, and I need to add a third question. Same thing, drag choice here. Okay, and here I need to ask my question. My third question is, do you travel abroad? Okay, that is really important questions when it comes to travel insurance. So I will simply add my question here, and here I will simply say yes, and add another option and say no. Okay, and here you can see options. Now here, this is also really important. You can add that all of these fields are required, which means if they actually do not finish entire questionnaire, they cannot click here on submit. That is really important. And also what you can do here, you can collect emails. Here you can see option email, and you can simply drag that here. And that means that they will all, or you can simply just drag it on the bottom here, for example, and now they need to submit their email if they wish to get the results. Now I don't want this email here, for example, right now, so I will simply click here on delete, and I deleted that. But I do not just to give them option to submit their answers. I will actually give them a thank you page. Okay, and here you can see thank you page. Thank you, your form has been submitted successfully. But I don't want to say that. I actually wish to say something else. So what you can do, you can come up with your own answer, or you can simply go here on Google and search something, for example, like, do I need travel insurance? Do I need travel insurance? Okay, do I need travel insurance? And you can visit one of these websites here. For example, this one here, or for example, let's just say this one here, okay? And you can go through their text, through their article, and you can find this as an inspiration for your own answer, for your own thank you page. Now, I already did that, and this is how it looks. So all I have to do is just copy this, and I need to go back on Arengu and click here on display a thank you page. This is my thank you page, and I will simply paste my answer here. So now when someone clicks submit, they will get this page. And this is really important part. This is most important part of this video. So please pay close attention. What you need to do, you need to scroll here, and you need to click here where it says redirection. Okay, and then click here off. Okay, click here to turn that on. That is really important. Turn redirection on. And here you can see after. So I will choose 5 seconds, but you can choose between 5 and 10 seconds, because what will happen when they click here on submit, they will get this thank you page, and after 5 seconds they will be automatically redirected to my CPA offer. Okay, and you wish to, and because this is a short thank you page, as you can see here, this is a short text, they will read that really quickly, and that is why you wish to choose after 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, because if you put it longer, then people will simply read this thank you page and they will go out. That is why you wish to put this 5 to 10 seconds. And here where it says redirect URL, that is where you wish to add your CPA affiliate link. Now I already have my CPA affiliate link. This is it, Control C, and I need to paste that here. Okay, and this is my bridge page. And actually when I scroll here, I can see you can even add some HTML code, you can add some cards and stuff like that. Just play with all of these things to see all the things that you can do. And you can click here on publish and you will publish your bridge page, okay? And here when you click on preview, you can actually preview how your forms look. And when I click, for example, on submit, I cannot go submit because I actually set up all the fields to be required. And when I actually click here, for example, business, a few times a year, and let's just say yes, for example, and then when I click here submit, I will actually go on my thank you page. And here you can see this is my thank you page, and here I can see other steps, and that is only for me. I was actually, as you can see here, I was actually not redirected because here you can see RS not allowed. That is because this CPA offer is not allowed in my country. It is not available in my country. If it is available, then I would be automatically redirected to this CPA offer here that I'm actually promoting. But like I said, it is not available, so that is why I was not redirected. And this is how this works. As you can see, really simple, really easy. You can literally make this in just 5 minutes. And this, trust me guys, this converts really, really well because people like this kind of stuff to see, are they actually good? Is this actually travel insurance for them? Should they actually take it or not? So now what you need to do, you need to start driving free traffic to your bridge page, to your form. And one of the best places where you can find targeted free traffic are actually forums. So what you need to do, you need to come here on Google, and here in search bar you can simply search something like, for example, travel forums, and press enter, and here you can find TripAdvisor forum, travel forum Rick Stevens Europe, travel forums Travelers Point, and so on and so on. And here you can find a list of travel related forums. Or you can simply go on a website called findforum.net. And here when you click on categories, and then when you click here on travel, here you can find travel related forums. This is basically a forum directory. And here you can see travel chat, travel, clubbing holidays, and so on and so on. Here you can find a list of travel related forums. And you need to join to all of these forums here and all of these forums here. And you need to start engaging as much as you can on these forums every day. And you also need to add your affiliate link. You also need to add your link to your bridge page, to your form in your signature. And like I said, the more you engage in those forums, the more people will see your link in the signature, and they will click here and they will come to this bridge page and they will take this form and submit, and they will be redirected to your CPA offer. And some of these people, because they need a travel insurance, they will actually submit their form, their email, they will buy that travel insurance or whatever it is that CPA offer, and you will earn a CPA affiliate commission. And like I said, these forms here, they convert really, really well. I added only 3 questions, but you should add between 5 and 10 simple questions. As you can see here, short, simple, straight to the point, and questions, and also short, simple, straight to the point answers. So they don't want to spend too much time on this kind of stuff. And like I said, this is really easy to make in just 5 minutes, totally free. So this is how you do CPA marketing as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.